Happy Valentine's Day from Southern Bella Home. I sure hope you're having a sweet day. Here on the front porch of our old farmhouse, I literally took about 15 minutes and just stuck these hearts all over the place. I just added them to the winter decor that I already had out, just for a little touch to be festive. You know, it really didn't take much time or effort just to stick these little hearts all over the place. I just like to take a little bit of time to mark off the seasons and celebrate every chance we get. This past weekend at the farmhouse, I held my first ever natural living class where I taught several ladies how to can. And for that special day, my sweetie brought me this beautiful bouquet of flowers to be a centerpiece for the table. He and I have decided to do things very differently this year for Valentine's. No store-bought card or gifts. We decided to make each other a card and just have a fun date night. So we exchanged homemade cards this morning, and last night went out for Mexican. That was a wonderful Valentine's Day for me. Scattering a little bit of chocolate candy and placing some hearts here and there, it really only took about 20 minutes. I hung up a garland on the mantle. Really didn't put much effort into this at all, but I just wanted to acknowledge the day and make my family feel loved. A couple of years ago, I found this vintage Hallmark card. It winds up, has a music box in it, and I just think it is the sweetest old thing. I think it's probably from the 60s, and I just pull it out every year and sit it up on a shelf where we can admire the beauty. I said that my husband and I are not doing store-bought cards or gifts, but I always make him homemade granola for Valentine's Day every single year, and he looks forward to it. I even made homemade canisters out of old oatmeal boxes, just stuck some hearts on them because the batch usually fills up 2 of these canisters. I put pecans and coconut, raisins, golden and regular raisins, and honey and butter, and he loves this stuff and he looks forward to it every single year, and I look forward to making it for him because it makes him happy. I did learn a long time ago though not to put the coconut in the oven. I just toast it on the stovetop and then I stir it into the granola after it's done toasting. And after I get it all stirred up, I spread it back out onto the cookie sheets again and let it air dry and cool, and that way it has the perfect texture when he goes to fix himself a bowl and pour his milk over. He loves this stuff. I hope that you can find something sweet to do for those people that are special to you today. I hope you show them lots of love, and I hope somebody shows you lots of love too, friends. Thank you so much for being a part of the Southern Bella Home family and for all of your love, support, and encouragement throughout the year. I look forward to sharing more with you guys later, and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye, y'all.